What is up, everybody? How's it going? Alright, so today we're just going to be doing a quick introduction to the channel video, the 2438-20, which is the M12 cordless brushed polisher and sander from Milwaukee. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So today this is just going to be a quick introduction video. Want to get this out to you guys so you guys can see what's coming in the future to the channel. This is the Milwaukee M12 brushed 2438-20 cordless variable speed polisher slash sander. It is brush tool. I do have quite a few brush tools. Never had any issues with them. Most used tool I have is the M12 brushed oscillating tool. The little thing is a beast. Picked this up, got it like $38 or so off. Had a discount coupon from Home Depot. This is not a kit. This is a bare tool. These are just the batteries from the unboxing and informations video that I did. So that video is already done, but wanted to get you guys this video out. Comes with 2 foam pads, comes with the Velcro attached 3-inch attachment pad for the wool pad and the 2 Velcro pad, or the 2 foam pads, and it comes with a 2-inch sanding roll lock attachment. This cookie I already had. This is a Harbor Freight coarse. This is a 40 grit cookie, I believe, if I remember correctly. Those cookies do fit. They fit very well. There is a subtle difference though. The thread on this is very wide. It's fine thread. So these attachments will only fit on the Milwaukee. The Earthquake XT model that I have looks very similar. That model has a thinner thread, thinner actual bolt size, and it's coarse. And just, you know, I got 3 amp hour, 4 amp hour, and a 6 amp hour, and a 2 amp hour on it. I wish I had the 1.5 amp hour and the 3 amp hour compact to compare for you guys, but I do not. Unfortunately, I do not have it. And just figured, you know, I'll throw that out there. If you guys are interested in a comparison video or a head-to-head video, here's the Earthquake XT model 12 volt polisher, 3-inch 76 millimeter capacity. This is 0 to 2800 in polish mode, and it's 7600 RPM in speed 2, which is the sanding mode. It is EQPLXT-12V, or Edward Queen Paul Lima X-Ray Tony -12 Victor. It does look quite similar. Doesn't look exactly the same, but it is pretty close. There's a lot of subtle differences. They're both brushed tools. I've been using this one for years, since it came out. The Milwaukee stands on its own with a compact battery. So does the Earthquake. The Earthquake comes with little plugs that you can put in for the handles. It has a similar round button. Not recommended to physically push that button down when it's spinning. The Earthquake has a light though. The Milwaukee does not have a light, which is not a big deal. They have 2 attachment points for the handle. the Earthquake's handle, similar. Has a lock to lock the trigger on the Milwaukee, same as the Earthquake. The Earthquake never came out with any other battery sizes though, and this is a 2 amp hour. So the Milwaukee, the Plus, I've wanted to get this for a while. Plus is you can put big batteries on it, 6 amp hour, 4, 3 amp hour, XC 3 amp hour compact, this 1.5, a 2. So the Milwaukee has a plus up on the batteries, but if you guys would like to see maybe a head-to-head polishing test with these guys, you know, let me know. I swore up and down that this guy went forward and reverse, but it looks like I'm wrong, which is okay. The Milwaukee speed in speed 1 is 0 to 2800. So is the Earthquake. They're 0 to 2800. In speed 2, Earthquake XT is 7,600 RPM, and the Milwaukee is 0 to 8,300 RPMs in sand mode. So the Milwaukee has a little bit more speed, a little bit more oomph. If you guys would like to see a head-to-head, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. I do appreciate all of you guys hanging out with me today, checking out this quick introduction video. There's also going to be some more DeWalt Extreme 12 volt tools coming to the channel. Got the Makita 40 volt hammer drill and impact driver on the way. So we're going to be doing a video on that. I got the Milwaukee switch tanks, 2 Milwaukee switch tank, M18 switch tanks on the way. The channel paid for this. The channel paid for the 2 Milwaukee switch tanks that I got for a deal. They're usually $2.99. I got them for $200 a piece. With tax was $407 total. Awesome deal. Channel paid for that, as well as the channel paid for the 40 volt Makita tools, the combo kit with 2 batteries, charger, and the hammer drill and impact driver. And I just want to say thank you to all the subscribers, all the non-subscribers, all the affiliate link users. When you guys use the affiliate links, makes the channel a lot more bearable, makes it a lot easier. I wouldn't say bearable, it's unbearable. I'd be buying the tools anyways. But it does make it a lot easier when you guys use the affiliate links. I very much appreciate it. It helps me out a ton. Helps me bring tools to the channel for you guys. And when you guys, I want to say thank you to all of the subscribers. You guys are awesome. I appreciate you guys being subscribed. Appreciate you guys watching the videos. Being monetized. It does help pay for the tools when you guys watch the videos. Helps a ton when you guys leave comments. Thank you to all the non-subscribers as well. I would hope that you, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. It would be much appreciated. It would help me bring things to the channel for you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching as always. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I hope you guys have all your dreams come true in a sense, and I hope that, you know, if you guys are having a bad day, hope maybe my channel's made it a little better or made you smile for a little bit. And I appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!